Hello, welcome to episode 61 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be showing a major 7th arpeggio. And what that means is that it's all the chord notes that are in a chord, a major 7th chord, but played in order, like a scale. So here's an A major 7th chord, A major 7th arpeggio in two octaves is like this. So once again, it's all the notes that are in this chord, but in order. So again, starting on, and this is an A. So again, this is an A major 7th chord, A major 7th arpeggio, starting here on the 6th string. That's one octave, and the second octave, and going down again. So I'll play that just going up, and then going down again. So this is really useful if you're playing over, say, like a simple kind of major 7th progression from A major 7th to D major 7, like that, of that A. Those notes are really handy to have. This, rather than going through just a major scale, you stick to the arpeggio notes. You're sticking with the actual chord tones. You're really outlining that chord and really getting that nice major 7th sound. Like that. Okay. Another major 7, which is available to do right there, is starting on the 2nd string. So, talking about the D major 7. Just to play the D major 7th arpeggio, starting there on the 5th fret. So in the 2nd string, and one octave. Second octave goes a bit higher. So again, going up, it's one octave, 2 octaves. Okay, and again the A major 7th arpeggio. And I find this to be a really great picking exercise, even if you don't end up using a lot of these in your playing otherwise. It's a great picking exercise because it's a nice combination of 2 notes on a string and single notes on a string, and to articulate them really well is a nice challenge, whether you're doing pick style or finger style. To articulate those really cleanly is a really nice exercise. So I would suggest going through with a metronome, outlining those really well. And again, that's the A major 7 one, starting on the A on the 6th string. So hope this is useful to you. Please let me know if there are any questions. Thanks for watching.